Comfort spin. This larder pull-out in the refrigerator offers familiar convenience in new surroundings. With a rotating shelf, food stored at the back moves to the front in next to no time, and vice versa. Comfort spin can be turned 360 degrees in no time at all. Easily installed and immediately ready for use, the clever turntable gives you a full view of the food you keep in your refrigerator. Quopener. Introducing the Easy Jar Opener, the smartest and easiest way to open any jar. With this innovative tool, you no longer need to hold the jar or the lid, apply a lot of force, or try any complicated tricks to open it. Simply place the Easy Jar Opener on the jar and push the handles to easily open any shape or size of jar with minimal effort. No more struggling with stubborn lids or wasting time trying to find a solution. The Easy Jar Opener makes it easy to open any jar in seconds. Fruit Collector by GARDENA. This harvesting tool from GARDENA lets you pick fruit and other objects from the surface level without having to stoop or carry additional bags or baskets. The collection unit is simply rolled over the ground while the user maintains a comfortable easily collect without bending down or stooping upright position. Wearable Umbrella. The Wearable Umbrella is a multi-purpose product designed to save you from the rain and help you carry stuff. A student at Moholy-Nagy University of Art and Design created this design as a part of her design course. By wearing the product over your shoulders like a backpack, you leave your hands free to answer back to that text or browse your phone. Sink Holder. The small wash sponge sink holder is a handy gadget that helps to keep your kitchen and bathroom sink organized. Made of durable plastic, this hanging organizer features a drain basket that allows excess water to drain away, keeping your sponges and scrubbers fresh and dry. Hanging Cabinet. If you have plates or seasoning in your kitchen that you can't have reached, this is what we have for you. Pull-down shelves can be used for kitchen upper cabinets to help you better organize kitchen supplies. Pull-out shelves can make life more efficient. Pull-down storage rack with hydraulic damping lift design and upgraded space aluminum material, better than other materials storage racks. Car Door Edge Protector Strip. This car door protector is a must-have for any car owner. It fits all kinds of vehicles and provides excellent protection for your car door. It absorbs impacts and prevents scratches, ensuring that your car's paint stays in pristine condition. Self-adhesive Mosaic. Tile stickers are a great way to update the look of your bathroom or kitchen without breaking the bank. These stickers are made of PVC and a matte protective film, making them waterproof, oil-proof, and resistant to heat up to 120 degrees Celsius. This makes them ideal for use in wet areas such as bathrooms, showers, kitchens, and behind cookers. Tile stickers are 3D printed self-adhesive vinyl stickers that can be easily cut with scissors to fit around wall sockets, light switches, and other customized shapes. They are suitable for use on a variety of surfaces, including ceramic tile, wood, plasterboard, flat painted walls, plastic, metal, glass, and flat stone. KAZbrella. KAZbrella is more than just a simple umbrella, it's the only patented reverse folding umbrella in the whole wide world. Every part of the KAZbrella has been custom built from the ground up with a rich and unique experience in mind. Invented and designed in the United Kingdom by a renowned aeronautical engineer, the variable frame has been totally engineered to respond effortlessly to the force of the wind. The design also affords a unique drip-free experience, keeping all parts of your dry regardless of what the weather is doing outside. Side Shelf Refrigerator Rack. This refrigerator rack side shelf is a useful addition to any kitchen. Made from sturdy stainless steel wire, It is easy to install and can be attached to the side of your refrigerator with suction cups. This rack is perfect for storing a variety of items, including baskets for holding kitchen paper, wrap, or aluminum foil. It also has a hook for hanging kitchen tools, making it an all-in-one storage solution for your kitchen needs. BNBS Kitchen Organizer. This kitchen storage box is a must-have for any home cook. Made from durable plastic, these organizer boxes are perfect for storing a variety of kitchen supplies, including pots, pans, and other cooking tools. They can also be used to store seasonings and other ingredients, helping to keep your pantry and cabinets organized and clutter-free. These multifunctional storage boxes are not only useful in the kitchen, but can also be used in the bathroom to store cosmetics. Lifewand. This device is designed to save children from choking. Lifewand is an easy-to-use vacuum. While calling 911, simply press it against the child's mouth and nose. A pressure-sensitive mechanism activates a powerful vacuum that suctions out the object lodged in your kid's throat in one swift motion. The MOFT Laptop Stand. The MOFT Laptop Stand is an innovative and convenient accessory for laptop users. It follows the invisible design philosophy, meaning it is virtually unseen when attached to your laptop and can be easily carried without being noticed. The stand is adjustable at a dual angle and has 2 elevation adjustments to help you find the ideal height and comfort. The MOFT stand is compatible with a wide range of laptops and features built-in magnets for easy opening and closing. It can be easily attached and detached from your laptop without leaving any marks or scratches, and is constructed with strong and stable materials to ensure durability. Japanese Light Cabinet. The Baseus Under Cabinet Light is a smart LED light that is perfect for illuminating your kitchen, bedroom, or closet. This light is equipped with a PIR motion sensor and a human induction feature, which means that it will automatically turn on when it detects movement and turn off 20 seconds after inactivity. One of the standout features of this light is its arc-like lamp body, which provides a larger light source area. This means that it can easily light up even a large wardrobe or closet, no matter how much clothing you have.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.